Hello, and welcome to this simple demonstration on how to onboard a public cloud account to Tufin SecureCloud. Simply log in with the username and password that you'll have received via email. And you'll be presented with the dashboard. As you can see, I've already onboarded the Kubernetes environment, but I'm now going to onboard a public cloud environment. So click Start at the bottom right corner, and you're taken to the Account Manager page. From here, I can simply add account, and I'm going to choose the AWS wizard for this. Now, all I need to do is give this an account display name. So I'm going to call this student account. And I have three connection methods available to me. The first one is using a role via Tufin's AWS account credentials, where we provide you our own account ID. You can use a role via an account credentials, where you provide your own details, or your account credentials themselves. And for this, we're going to stick with the Tufin preferred method of using our own AWS account credentials. Simply add the ARN role and click Add. Now, this can take a couple of moments to complete, and you can tell when it's done when the status spinning wheel turns to a green tick. As you can see, this is now completed, and we have a green tick in the status. And we also have a vendor ID number. If I now go across to my application graph, you can see that we have already started to build out the graph, and simply double clicking on this icon here will then start to display the environment for me. Thank you. I hope you found this useful.